Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing this Generation 1 Bumblebee reissue. Now this is again a Walmart exclusive reissue, and here he is in package. Back of the package, you can see his tech specs is multilingual. Notice the head on Bumblebee here, and the actual head here has a face. So the original Bumblebee's head actually looked like this, but they made it like the Generation 1 head. So I will be actually unboxing, reviewing that, and comparing it to this Transformers, I think this is the Titans Returns Bumblebee. So let's get them open. Now, when I was a kid, I had actually a version of this toy that I thought was Bumblebee, but it was labeled as Cliff Jumper, but it was yellow. It was a yellow Cliff Jumper, and I remember reading long ago there was this thing like that they called Bumble Jumper, because I guess they had so many of these types of toys imported, and some of them didn't come in the right colors. So I had a yellow Cliff Jumper instead of red. So here Bumblebee is in robot mode. Let's get a close up. So very G1 like face. Now these mini bots were basically like GoBots. I mean, the transformations were very simple. Articulation very limited, and you can see here it has rubber tires. Okay, let's transform it into vehicle mode. The head flips, toes go out or down, and legs tuck in, and arms straighten out and tuck in as well, and that is basically it. Here is Bumblebee in vehicle mode. Now this one doesn't have the rub symbol like the other reissues. Well, I guess the only reissues I have are the Optimus Prime reissues, and the Optimus Prime reissue and the Hot Rod reissue. So I did pick up the rest of the mini bots, so I'm going to see if they also have rub signs, but Bumblebee doesn't. So let's get him back into robot mode here real quick, and let's put him side by side from this Bumblebee to, I guess, the latest Bumblebee, or most recent Bumblebee released, or Generations Bumblebee released. Here we go. Let's get them in frame here. And as you can see, what a difference 30 something years makes. We have Bumblebee of Generation 1 to the latest Generation 1 type or inspired Bumblebee. No rubber tires here. And from the back, let's get them both in vehicle mode. It's been a while since I transformed this Bumblebee, so I'm trying to remember off the top of my head. The cool part about this Bumblebee, you can actually store one of the headmasters or Titan Masters in Bumblebee's vehicle mode. Oops, it popped out. Okay, there we go. Hey, here's the current Bumblebee in vehicle mode. Just a little comparison between the two. Let's zoom in a bit. There you go. All in all, it's pretty neat how Bumblebee has changed in the last 30 plus years, and the technology that we have nowadays in terms of transformations and build quality. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.